Crew magsaysay. Crew magsaysay, pero mapalitan ko mamaya. Okay. Na ano lang si Sir
organization. Out of 217 countries and territories, 172 members come.
Salamat Noito, Santo Torino, Buwan. Salamat Noito, Santo Torino, Buwan. PWA. Wala. Wala na lang ito ang pilihan kapag natitik. Okay, so wala na yung mga pangutana?
For your friends and my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier are we.
Another classification of songs, folk songs. Example, lero-lero sinta. Lero-lero, folk song.
Lero sinta at nagtapapaya, lalay muslo, sisigla ng bunga. Pagdating sa dulo, nakali ang sama, ay, umanap ng iba. Leron, sinta, akyat sa papaya, lalay muslo, sisigla ng bunga. Pagdating sa dulo, nabali ang sanga, ay, humanap ng iba.
Another classification of song, ceremonial songs. Commitment song. Example, commitment song. Ceremonial song niya, ceremonial.
I give my hands to those who cannot see the sunrise or the falling rain. I'll sing my song to cheer the weary alone, for I may never pass this way again. I'll share my faith with every troubled heart, for I shall not leave in vain. I'll hold my hand, I'll sing my song, I'll share my faith, because I know cannot see the sunrise or the falling rain. I'll hold my hand, not weary alone, for I may never pass this way again. I'll share my faith with every troubled heart, for I shall not live in vain. I'll give my hands, I'll sing my song, I'll share my faith, because I know that the time has come to fulfill its vow, for I may never pass this way again.
Another classification of song, campfire song.
Campfires burning, campfires burning.
Draw nearer, draw nearer.
In the gloaming, come sing and be merry. Campfires burning, campfires burning. Draw nearer, draw nearer. In the gloaming, come sing and be merry.
Okay, last classification of songs. Split songs. Example is everything. Split one, split.
Everything together for the boys. There's nothing we can never can do anything at all. We can solve many different problems if we work together for the boys. All our trouble will vanish away and we'll have a brand new day. Magagawa natin ang lahat ng bagay dito sa mundo. Isang bagay na di magagawa, hindi magagawang mag-iisa. Malulutas natin ang mga problema kung tayo'y magkaisa. Ang suliraning naging gagaan kung may bagong buhay. Magagawa natin ang lahat ng bagay dito sa mundo. Isang bagay na di magagawa mag-isa. Malulutas natin ang mga problema kung tayo'y magkaisa. Ang suliraning balik ko na balik. Ready? English na. We can do. Magagawa natin. Ready? Go! Magagawa natin. Dito sa mundo. Hindi magagawa. Hindi magagawa mag-iisa. Malulutas natin ang mga problema. Kung tayo'y magkaisa. Ang suliraning naging gagaan ang mga buhay. Feel the air! Feel the air with songs of cheer, with voices loud and clear. For people around you are people who love you, loves in a special way. And so before we say goodbye, give us your greeting smile. Rising up, it's all begin. Feel the air with songs of cheer, with voices loud and clear. People around you are people who love you, love you in a special way. So before we say goodbye, give us a greeting smile. Rising up, it's all begin.
Nakaano sila, comfortable, hindi sila tuyo na sa ako. Every time kumain mga jamboree, isa sa kakong, hain pa sa positive diet, kunumag, tuyukan, kunumag, kurmat, maliban sa ako sa ila. Kung saan kasi iso.
Pilo mo na diretso. Dili sa iya badyo.
Uy, ibol pa man.
Sa iya pa badyo.
I-
Ila iso yun ini.
Okay, ada rin na.
Ibot.
Except,
Ato din hidiri. Kasi kibay sa madman ini.
Oo.
Ari din sa badyo.
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 Kung kapag mo puto ha. Left over right. Left over right. Yes. Sir, patek sir. Dili matanggal. Dili matanggal sa malak. Gahi. Left over right over sir. Right over left. Right over left. Katong right amo ra gyud tuyok nimo. Tapos na left over right. Right over left. Left over ganyan. Ay, guman. Hala sir, check. Fine sir. Proud. So, right, left. Kanina tutok kanina ang tuyok sir. So, yun. Na. Tanda yung siya. Tuyok siya.
Lahi man kay kuan man dapat tingali siya.
Okay.
Di mo sa kanang loop.
Na.
Loop na. Sulod nimo dire. Sa Discord. Dire.
Ano Jim? Sir ka ni sir.
Okay na po sir.
Chairman of the Surigao del Norte Council, the Council Staff Executive, Jose Pina Igumato, the members of the training team, dear participants, as the Chief Compile, I hereby declare that the compile is open. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
The singing of the campfire song, Campfires Burning, to be led to us by Sculptor Pilyati Kumita. Handa! Palakpak!
Ladies and gentlemen, let us sing the campfire song. Everybody, sing.
Campfires burning, campfires burning, draw nearer, draw nearer, in the glory, come sing and live.
Once more.
Campfires burning, draw nearer, in the gloaming, come sing and be merry.
The presentation.
Pagkilig ka siya.
Again, who are we? We are Grupo Kawan.
Sarap.
The ordinance. So, I challenge you this morning atong atong kaman rapor
is to serve service to others. So one activity of this training is the community service. So there are two areas to be trained. Ang una, dito sa atong first video, atong sa barangay municipal. Barangay covered court. Hatagan nato dito ng duha ka crew.
Ang bayan ko'y tanging ikaw, Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko at buhay man sa iyo'y ibibigay, tungkulin ko'y gagampanan na lagi kang paglingkuran ang